Learning analytics, as described by Wikipedia, is defined as the measurement, collection, and analysis, as well as reporting of data about learners and their context for purposes of understanding and optimizing learning and the environment in which it occurs. Learning analytics in an educational field can be referred to as academic analytics, which is also defined as the process of evaluating and analyzing organizational data received from university systems for reporting and decision-making reasons. Although some form of learning analytics has been around for some time, it has evolved as our global world is changing. Learning analytics is still in its early development in our 21st century digital learning environment. However, organizations such as the Society for Learning Analytics Research and the International Education Data Mining Society are interested in how learning analytics can be incorporated into the educational field, according to Siemens 2012. Just as when new discoveries are made in the scientific world, for instance, Pluto no longer being a planet, this new understanding and knowledge leads us to question and revise our thinking through making connections and reflections, according to Siemens. Siemens refers to this as the network of theory. Learning analytic tools can be broadly grouped into two sections, commercial and research. Commercial learning analytic tools used by companies such as IBM were complex. However, the educational field has learned from these systems and now use these tools, for instance Blackboard, to collect learning analytics. These systems can now be used from a variety of sectors by individuals with broad abilities, skills, expertise, and backgrounds, according to Siemens. Research learning analytic tools are not as well developed as the commercial tools. However, they include R and WCAG, which focus on individual analytic tasks. In this decade, interest in learning analytics has developed as researchers and educators want to better understand teaching, learning, and how they can personalize learning environments and curriculum. As our ability to collect big data becomes more efficient, researchers are able to better measure and analyze how individuals approach and understand new knowledge in different learning environments, according to Walsh 2012. Learning analytics in the educational field can exist at different levels, ranging from individual classrooms, departments, universities, regions, provinces, countries, and internationally. Learning analytics can be a powerful tool in giving meaning to interactions and actions in a learning environment, allowing us to eventually personalize every learning environment based on students' preferences and progress, according to Walsh 2012. Digital trails are generated through the student's use of mobile devices, social media, and learning management systems. And the students that access these devices and programs leave behind thousands of data points such as navigation patterns, pauses, reading, and writing habits, according to Siemens, which can be used in generating and understanding the learning styles of students, and this in itself is learning analytics. However, some ethical concerns do come up when talking about learning analytics. Ethical concerns in the area of collection of data, the use of this data, and also location, interpretation of data, informed consent and privacy, identification of the data, classification and management of the data, all are discussed or are examined while looking at learning analytics. Another important ethical concern that comes up is ownership of the data. These are all areas we are hoping to explore in our asynchronous activity with you this week.
Created using Powtoon.